From a distance, the lapwing's colours appear to be black and white, but if you take a closer look, you will find it's more than just black and white. It's got an array of different colours which give it a glossy dark green colour with the hints of a rainbow type colouring on its back and wings. British lapwings are mostly resident. However, some will migrate over to Ireland in the west, and others will migrate south to France or Spain. The lapwing is a wading bird, and here we can see it wading through the shallow water in search for food. The lapwing's food consists of worms, insects, and it's also known to have the odd small amount of seed. Watching lapwings in flight during winter reveals their white underparts, and to see them doing their aerial acrobatics is fascinating to watch, and it's also a sign that spring is on its way. And every now and again you can see the lapwing glance up into the sky like it's just done here. This is watching out for any predators that might swoop in for a kill. Unfortunately, there's also sad news, and this is that lapwings have more than halved in numbers since the 1970s. The decline has been mainly caused due to the changing in farming, spring cropping, and the removing of grassland for building. We need to do all we can to help bring back the numbers of the lapwing before it's too late.